If your Samsung top-load washer is not starting, not agitating or spinning properly, displaying error codes, or failing to complete cycles, then main control might be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need for today's task: a Phillips and flathead screwdriver and pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. Inspect the clutch and TMR assembly for a damaged or excessively worn clutch arm and clutch gear. If either are damaged or excessively worn, replace the clutch and TMR assembly. If the clutch and TMR assembly looks good, continue troubleshooting. Inspect the shift actuator to see if it is locked up where it is pulling the clutch arm to the spin position. An easy way to tell is if there is tension on the linkage, causing it to pull the clutch arm to the spin position. If there is tension on the linkage, the shift actuator is locked up and will need to be replaced. If not, continue troubleshooting. If you have reached this point, the main control is the cause of failure and has been verified using the process of elimination. Since we found that the control assembly has failed, let's go over how to replace it. Set the washer upright and remove the cycle knob. Take a clear picture of all the wire connections. This will make installing the new control assembly easier. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the control assembly to the console. Lift the control assembly out. Here's the old control assembly and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the new control assembly into the console and secure it using the screws we removed earlier. Reconnect the wires to the control assembly and reinstall the control cover. And reinstall the cycle knob. Rotate the console back into position and secure it with the 2 screws we removed. Reattach the console back panel. Connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job taking control of your appliance repair. We hope this do-it-yourself guide made the process a breeze. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. If you need to order any parts, just get your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Our parts usually arrive within a few days. We'd love to hear about your repair experience, so feel free to share how it went in the comments. Thanks for trusting us with your project, and we'll see you on the next one.